Namaste to all, dear all students. Here is a small information or announcement. Aspirants Commerce Tutorial is conducting one-day revision class of cost accounting. So, those who are interested may attend the class. Okay, so it is a revision class. So, of cost accounting. When to inform this, I used costing terminology like job on Sunday, this Sunday 31st 21st March 2018, we are having one day revision class. Okay, whole day there will be revision, one day revision class. Standard time, so time is 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is what we are expecting. So that is what who will conduct the class, myself Tulsiram. And what are required: direct material, that is your notebook, textbook, pen, pencil, calculator, get all those things. Normal loss means there will be lunch break of 30 minutes. And additional material, indirect material will be given by me, okay, for you all. What we will do at there: process 1, conceptual understanding; process 2, practice with the exam oriented questions. We will do for the exam purpose, so exam oriented questions will be asked. Those only we will practice. Next, process 3, previous question papers will also be discussed. So if we do one day revision, what will happen? A better output, okay, we are going to get. So better preparation for your exam. And a nominal charges rupees 100 is being collected because I need to provide material and arrange the classroom, etc. So for that purpose. And one more thing, I don't want those who are not interested, those who can those who are interested only should come. That is why I kept this price of 100 rupees. Okay, that is fee. Registration is required. Those who are coming, if informs me earlier, okay, by today evening, okay, I'll make the arrangement because it is COVID situation, so need to make arrangements. Where is the job location? That is where we are going to conduct the class. That will be at Gnanavarti Model High School, Ayodhyanagar Colony, Uppuguda, Hyderabad. Those who know Mata Stationery, okay, easily can come there. And I'll already provided the location of the place. Hope this will be useful for you all. अगर अब नहीं पढ़े तो, if not now then when? So with this intention I am conducting the class. As in online classes many of you might not have attended the class, or in online classes there might not be effective uh, conduct of the class. So that is why one day revision, because if you sit one day you may not completely do the revision of entire subject. So I am making you to do how to do, I'll explain. So because the only motto is our motto is your success. That is what Aspirants Institute is concerned with. So if not now, then when you will do the practice. Okay, practice makes man perfect. So सीखने के लिए आ जाओ, सिखाने के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद। तो सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। फर्दर एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट एट हियर। जय हिंद।